Another way in which autistic children learn is through play. Today, we are going to be playing a game of I Spy. Now, the aim of this activity is to encourage more language. So, in this game, I'm going to be asking him, I spy, and he's going to ask me, what do you spy? And I'm going to tell him what I spy, and he needs to get me what I spy. All right, let's see how well he does with this game. Welcome back to our channel, and thank you so much for joining us once again in this another episode of Living on the Autistic Edge. This is where we share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey living on the autistic edge. I spy.
What?
Do you spy? I spy the number 10.
10.
Yes, give it to me. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Give me 5. All right, ready again. I spy.
What?
I spy a pig. Very good. I love it. I love it. I spy.
What?
What do you spy? I spy a circle. Circle. I spy.
What?
I spy a dog. 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 Very good. Very good. I spy. I spy the number 8. Very good. Very good. Alright. Alex, I want you to focus on what do you spy? Say spy. Look at me. Spy. Say the word. Spy. Alright. Come on. I spy.
What?
I spy the letter A. Yes! Very good. One more time. I spy.
What?
I spy the number 6. 6. Very good. You are doing so well. Alright, thank you very much. I spy. I spy the letter F. F. Very good. I spy.
What?
I spy a cow.
Cow.
Cow. All right. I spy. I have one more to go. How many? 1. So I spy.
What?
I spy the number 2.
2.
2.
2.
2. Very good. All right, let's sing a song. Excellent. Excellent for Alex. 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 Excellent for Alex. Excellent. Give it to him. Good job. That was awesome. Even though he was not in a good mood, he still did a very good job. Thank you so much once again for joining us in this another episode of Living on the Autistic Edge. If you enjoyed this episode, then smash that like button right down there, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you know someone who knows someone who will benefit from this video, don't forget to share. Once again, thank you so much for joining us in this another episode of Living on the Autistic Edge.